and girls for advancement in higher education and ultimately gainful employment.
iskuulkan waxa ku sii jeclaaday gabdho muxuu ahay hadda macaan ilaahan oo kaleeto marna waa saaxiibaday mar waa hooyaday marna waa walaashay waxa waliba oo qabsada iyadana waan u sheegan karaa oo garab igu siin kartaa.
In addition to the support to secondary education, USAID also supported non-formal accelerated education to give students who have not had access to education an opportunity to catch up. Over 12,000 young Somalis, 78% of them young women, gained skills in literacy and numeracy and business skills. Another 5,000 youth gained skills in leadership and event planning and applied these skills in various community service activities. SYLI also collaborated with the Ministries of Youth and Sports and Education and local youth organizations to provide in and out of school youth with platforms and opportunities to network and discuss critical issues affecting them. Youth-led activities such as cleaning up campaigns, sports tournaments, and the celebration of National Youth Days have brought over 60,000 youth together in achieving common goals.